Jamie at shopmasc.com, and welcome to another MASC Minute. So let's talk about stress. I think we all know that stress is a bad thing and not particularly good for us, but we may not have considered what the effect is that it has on our skin. And it actually does have an impact on our skin. So when you're stressed out, what happens is your body diverts nutrients to the more essential organs of your body, like your heart, your lungs, whatever it might be. It's that flight or fright response, and it diverts it away from non-essential organs like your skin. Your skin is an organ, right? And as a result of this decreased circulation to your skin, collagen breaks down, you experience dullness, redness, patchiness, like dry patches, just overall aging, so to speak. And so one of my favorite brands, they're very innovative. They just released a new line of products specifically intended to target what stress does to your skin. And the brand is Dr. Dennis Gross Skincare. So the range of products is sort of under the umbrella name B3 Adaptive Superfoods. So there are 3 different products. There's a face cream, an eye cream, and a serum. So the 3 main ingredients, not ingredients, but the 3 main groups of ingredients in the products are niacinamide, which is vitamin B3, and then it contains 14 different superfoods, which is kind of a cliche, but they actually are in there for a reason. They all serve a purpose, and 11 different adaptogens, which you may not be familiar with, but adaptogens are sort of a hot new trend. And basically what all these what all these ingredients do is they help to sort of revitalize, reduce and minimize the impact that stress has in your skin, and just overall improve the condition of your skin, reduce signs of aging. So depending on the product, they're going to do different things. But the starter product, or the one, if you would just choose one, it would probably be the Stress Repair Face Cream. So it's got a nice rich consistency to it. There it is. I'll show you some on my hand here. So that's the serum. Doesn't have much of a scent. It smells like nothing pretty much. Did I say serum? I think it said serum. Anyway, that's the cream. This is the serum. So the serum is a bit more fluid-like. Looks like that. Also nice and light. And then the cream is also like a nice rich cream. So these can be used AM and PM. It sort of depends what you want to do in terms of your routine. The cream that's the eye cream there. So yeah, anyway, I think these are really cool products. We just got them in, so I haven't really tried them very much, but I'm looking forward to doing so and seeing what effect they have on my skin. So if you're into like really innovative products that contain cutting edge ingredients, check them out, shopmasc.com. And the one thing I forgot to actually mention, which I wanted to mention, was the delivery technology behind the product is actually quite cool. So the products are like in capsules that have multiple layers. And so they're microscopic. So it's like a microscopic multivitamin that's delivered into the skin. So they're actually really able to get in there and do their work. So it's not the same as like eating a superfood, which we will have some benefit for you, but this is a very high concentration that's delivered in a really innovative and effective way. Anyway, as I was saying, check out the product, shopmasc.com, and of course, if you're in Vancouver, come see them in the store. Thanks for listening.